how to save WhatsApp DP or how you can take a screenshot of WhatsApp DP. So the WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in feature to directly save someone's display picture or DP or profile picture. However, you can still save a WhatsApp DP by taking a screenshot or using a third-party application or method. But I prefer to take a screenshot for the WhatsApp DP. So here's how you can do that. First of all, you have to launch your WhatsApp app. Once you have launched your WhatsApp app on your device, so you have to open up a chat that you want to save the DP of. Just go and open up your chat here. Once you have opened up your chat, here you have to just go for the eye icon here and tap on their profile, and here you can see their photo. Just go and screenshot their photo. So here you can see that this app doesn't allow to take the screenshot of other profile. So here you can see that. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily know about how you can screenshot on your WhatsApp. So just go back and go to the other profile, and once you are on their profile, just go and select their photo and go for the screenshot here. So here you can see that the WhatsApp doesn't allow the screenshot here. So the WhatsApp doesn't allow the screenshot or doesn't allow to take the screenshot of WhatsApp DP. So you can know about that. So with the help of this process, you can know about how you can save the WhatsApp DP or take the screenshot of. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.